Are you a busy founder launching products or services online? Then chances are you need a landing page and you need a beautiful landing page that converts. Today, we're going to take a look at a landing page builder that's absolutely next level. It uses AI to build your landing page in minutes and has a ton of awesome features like accepting payments, adding a blog, SSL, widgets, embeds. You can export your own code and host it on your own server if you would like. There's so much that you can do. So let's dive in and show you how this all works. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any more of the videos that we publish on this channel. Let's dive in, show you how it works. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We've landed at unicornplatform.com, which is a simple landing page builder for busy founders. This is an awesome product. We've tested it and it works really well. As we talked about in the intro, there's a ton of great features like widgets, embeds, template galleries. It's fully responsive out of the box, but we don't need to talk about any of that. Let's dive in and show you how to build a landing page website with just a few clicks. Now, we're going to build a landing page website for this course that we actually sell. So this is a live product and we have this landing page on our site, which doesn't look that great. So we, in this example, want to create a new landing page for this course that looks much more beautiful, that converts a lot better, that we can then direct people to purchase the actual course. So let's dive in. Let's go to Unicorn Platform and we're going to sign in. You can create an account for free. You can actually build for free. You only have to pay if you want to publish to a custom domain or use some of their pro features. So right now we don't have anything in here. So we want to go ahead and create a new site. And check this out. They have a ton of templates that you can build from or start from depending on sort of what you're selling online or what you want your landing page to be built for. So they have newsletter templates, which is really nice. They have coming soon pages, mobile app pages, all these sort of different themes with different components that might be really nice depending on what you're launching. But we're just going to go to all here and we're going to choose this agency template. It's a pretty plain template, but I think it'll work well for our course use case. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create. And once you do this, you're actually given a option here, whether to generate the content via AI, or you can just have placeholder content. So depending on what you're doing, you can use AI or the placeholder. We're going to use AI here to show you how the AI works because it's really good and it's super powerful. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the info from our course. So we're just going to copy like the steps, landing page for an online course with the steps. And what I'll do is I'll paste in the steps and then I'll be like, and this description. I'm going to give it some basic information. Again, I'm just going to copy and paste the description and the steps from our course into this. And I'm going to hit generate. Let's see what happens. It should build this landing page in real time for us. Right now, as you can see, it's working on the nav in the hero section. It's putting in some descriptions with call to actions. Ideal for students with basic familiarity with web technologies. It now is adding the course features. It looks like it's taking these from the course steps, which is super cool. And it's just going to continue to work down the page here. Now, while this is working, which should only take a minute or so, I'm going to let you know that you can completely change everything that this site built. So it's not like you're stuck with the landing page that Unicorn app built for you. You can customize any element on the page. You can even use AI within the Unicorn platform to rebuild certain sections if you're not happy with how it turned out. And I'll show you how all of that works. Did this a couple times with different themes, different landing pages, different prompts. And every time I was really pleased with the results. It looks really nice. It's beautiful on all screen sizes. So desktop all the way to mobile. And every time I got something a little bit different. This one's really cool. It has bunch of sort of stock images with the different sections of the course. Of course, you can customize those. It has some a testimonial section down here that you can easily drop in your testimonials. It's got a nice nav. It's got a hero section and it's all here. So let's just show you some of the features now that our starter page has been built, how we can customize it. So let's just say we want to rewrite this hero section of our page. We can just choose Ask AI and if all of these prompts in here pre-built. So let's say we want to change the tone to be a little bit more confident here. We can just click that and it's going to rewrite this in a more confident style. Super cool. You can do this for any section. You can even insert a page component and there's a lot here from hero headers to buttons to forms, to photos, to video, custom HTML. There's a lot that you can do. I'm not going to go into all of this, but you get the idea. There's a lot that can be added in here, from pricing tables to everything between. Furthermore here, let's go into some of the website settings and show you some of the cool features that are on their pro plans and not, but there's a lot that you can change. So you can use a custom domain. You have to be on their paid plan to activate that. You can, of course, change the favicon in the social network open graph image. So super cool. You can inject custom code into the header body section. You can change the colors and fonts. So if we wanted to do this natural green color palette, we can easily do that. We can access the sitemap XML file, add 301 redirects, different languages. You can choose whether or not you want robots to crawl your website. You can add widgets. Looks like there's more widgets coming soon. You can even export, if you're on a paid plan, your entire site, HTML and everything out, and then host it on your own server if you'd like. So there's a lot here that you can do with this. Go back to our site. We can hit edit page. There's also some additional settings here. Let me see. So yeah, if we go to the page settings here, we can change the URL of the specific page. We can change the URL for this page if we would like. We can change like a social graph image specifically for this page. If we want a different open graph image for a different page of our site, we can have custom meta tags and descriptions for our page. So if you had like a home page and then maybe the About Us page, you could have different meta titles and descriptions on these pages, as well as open graph images and custom code on each particular page. So let's go back here. We only, again, have one website. We'll go back into the site, edit the page that we have. And I just want to add a component to show you how quickly and easily it is to add a component. So let's choose a component, and let's just say we want an FAQ section. They have a few different ones. They have this like accordion style and then this longer form style. So let's just choose, let's choose the FAQ here with the accordion style in the video. And look at this. This looked really nice. We can edit the component. We can change the questions. We can also click in here. We can, edit this component. We can change the video if we want to be, let me pause this here. So we can change the video URL. So if we had our own sort of FAQ video, we could upload it here. So there's a ton that you could do. I'm not going to go into everything that you can do here, but hopefully this gives you a really nice preview of the Unicorn platform. I highly recommend that you check it out. This is something that we just discovered on our own. We have not been paid to promote the Unicorn platform. So really impressed with this tool. If you're building landing pages, this is a great tool for you. Again, be sure to like and subscribe and comment with any questions that you have on this video. Thank you for checking out No Code Devs.